Molly Hunter, is there a cookie underneath there? I see a cookie. What are you decorating? Are you decorating your face? Let me see.
I want to put the cookie.
What did she just say? Say that again. Say that again, girlfriend. What did you say?
Cookies. Pigeon cookies. I like cookies.
Me like cookies.
Pigeon cookies.
Cookie Monster. Are you the Cookie Monster?
Yeah, go.
Ready? Break. What are you doing? Don't. You guys have lost your mind.